Dakota, Minnesota and Eastern Railroad vertical lift bridge. Now this bridge crosses the Mississippi River, located in Hastings, Minnesota. And trains going through. Let me show you when it raises. This bridge is raised for boats and ships to pass through, and then it's going to lower for train traffic, and it's still in use. It's in operation still. It's back lowered. See, span drive, the detail. See, yeah, this bridge crosses the Mississippi River, located in Hastings, Minnesota, and trains run through there all the time. So it's still in use, and it's used also by Canadian Pacific Railroad and all that and everything. So it's in Hastings, Minnesota.